What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back in the video. In today's video, I am about to do an unboxing. Okay, so I have the Pattern Beauty Brush. I have the big one. The pattern words rubbed off because it's very much used. Okay, I believe I've had this brush for about 2 years now. Ever since Pattern came out with this brush, I bought it. And this one retails for $17. I got this one at Ulta. Really nice, really durable. It's kind of like gooky right now because I just used it and I didn't wash it off. So yeah, there's that. My bad, y'all. I thought I heard something. But yeah, there's that. But yeah, I haven't washed it off yet. So yeah, it's still good on it. But I decided to get the travel size version. Y'all, this one is so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So I got the travel size because I wanted the travel size version for when I leave my house, you know what I'm saying, and still have to do my hair or still have to wash my hair. I wanted the travel size version. I didn't want to have to bring this one. So yeah, this one retails for $9 and it has the Pattern logo here. Really nice, really pretty. I absolutely love it, and I like that it still can fit in my hand. You know what I'm saying? I really like that, but it's just a smaller version. This one fits in my hand and this one can fit in my hand too. So when I go to brush or when I go to style, I can use this one for when I am traveling. Now, don't get me wrong, most of the time when I'm traveling, I'm going to have my hair in mini twists. I just feel like that's like my go-to style, you feel me? But yeah. And it comes in cute packaging to just literally a smaller version, and I absolutely love this brush. So yeah, it's literally like a mini, it's literally the mini version of this. Like, here's a side-by-side comparison and here are them together. Like I said, I have to wash this one off. Don't mind all of the stuff on it. I have to wash it off. That's just product. But yeah, really nice, really cute, really durable. Okay, and I absolutely love them together. So I am definitely going to put this in my little travel size toiletry bag, or I'm gonna pack it just in my bag. But like I said, when I do travel, I'm going to wear my hair in mini twists because it's just easy, nice and simple, and you can do many styles and you can make it versatile if you want to. So yeah, like, my mini twists are so cute, so nice. I absolutely love them. I decided to wear them down today. Today is actually Easter, by the way, so if you celebrate Easter, happy Easter. But yeah, this is like my baby. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Absolutely love it. So I haven't oiled my scalp in a minute, so I am going to go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mielle drops. Almost out of these. Gonna go ahead and apply that all over the scalp. Gonna apply a little bit more to my scalp because I haven't oiled my scalp in a minute. If you know me, if you are not new to this channel, you know that I am not going to be buying these Mielle drops anymore. There's just other stuff that I like to use on my hair that have better morals that I stand by, and they're not black owned anymore. And the way they just went about not being black owned anymore just kind of pissed me off. So I don't really, yeah. It's the same thing with Honey Pot. Honey Pot decided to change the ingredients on us, so I had to stop using that brand as well. Even though My Organics didn't change their ingredients, the way they went about not being black owned anymore was just absolutely terrible. They decided to put black women in outrage, and they saw it, and yeah, then they announced, oh, well, we're not black owned anymore, you know what I'm saying, after black women were already mad. And I don't like anyone trying to market off of black women being upset. That shit just pisses me off. So yeah, I don't support y'all. If you want to support though, it's a really great oil, but there are better options, and I talk about better options of oils on my channel, as well as grease. Grease is a great alternative as well, and it works 10 times better, and it lasts 10 times longer. So yeah, but I didn't want nothing, y'all. I just wanted to check in and show y'all my little brush that I unboxed and oil my scalp with y'all. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. If you want to get this brush quicker and you have Amazon Prime, it is on Amazon. That's where I got mine, but you can get this at Ulta, Sephora, Pattern Beauty website, and Amazon as well. So yeah, make sure you follow me on TikTok. We hit 20K on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, my TikTok is KylaTrees98, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.